How to half swipe on Snapchat on the new update. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the way on how you can half swipe on Snapchat very easily in order to read messages without letting the other person know. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first, just make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then simply launch it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. All you have to do is simply go to your chat page first by tapping on this little chat icon from the bottom left corner between the snap map and the camera icon. Once you come to the chat page, you can see a list of snaps and chats you have received. Now basically, when you want to open a normal chat, you just go ahead and open it up, and then you simply select the messages over here. But let's say that you want to actually read these messages by half swiping it and not letting anybody know that you read the message. For that, as you can see, if I go ahead and simply swipe right just like that, it is going to open up the snap map page. As you could basically see, that's not working at all. And the reason this is not working is because you don't want to go ahead and swipe it from their name. You have to simply select their profile picture and swipe right from the profile picture very quickly. So it needs to be quick. So I'll just go ahead and tap on it and hold it, and as you can see, it will open up the page, and you can just go ahead and read this message all the way to the right hand side. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to do this, because that is going to release the fingers. It is going to open up the chat page, and the other person will know that you have read them. What you want to do is you have to simply swipe all the way to the right hand side until and unless the message is not visible to you. So let me just repeat that process for other ones. So as you can see, I could almost barely see the message as well, but you do not want to release your fingers. I repeat again, you don't want to do it from their name. As I said, not from their name, but from their profile picture, and swipe right. So let me just go ahead and show you. Again, just tap on profile picture and swipe right. You don't want to really go ahead and then release your fingers. And this is simply how you can go ahead and half swipe on Snapchat on the new update. Hopefully this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.